Yeah. So, students, in the last class, which was there in the morning, you had a combined class with 7C today, I think.
Yes, sir.
The previous class only, you had a combined class with 7C,
Yes, sir.
the last one. Now again, it is the math.
Yes, sir.
Very few have joined the meeting. Where are the rest? Yeah.
Sir, we have to give attendance.
No, beta.
So some students are giving attendance.
So I will be locking the meeting at 10:45. After that, the rest of you will not be able to join the meeting. Very few are joining the meeting right now. If the students are late, they will be responsible for it. If they are not able to join
Yes,
the
sir.
meeting later. Yeah. So we have done the chapter unitary method. I gave you a worksheet also on it in the last class. Have you all completed the worksheet? Any doubt from the worksheet? Anyone?
No, sir.
No doubts? Anyone
No,
any
sir.
doubt from the worksheet? Akshat Chandra, what do you want to do? Do you want to give your pen to me? Are you trying to send your pen through the camera? You want to borrow the pen? The Shubham Singh also wants to give his pen to me.
Sir, ये लीजिए sir pen.
Okay, now let us start. Linear equation, new chapter. Linear equations in one variable, chapter number 7, page number 107. Open it in your books, everyone. Linear equations.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, page number.
In one variable. Page number 107.
Okay, sir.
Open the chapter in your books.
Sir, open.
Ready?
Sir, open. Yes, sir, ready.
I'm locking the meeting now.
Yes.
If you suppose if you are disconnected from the
Yes, sir.
meeting, if you are disconnected from the meeting, you will not be able to rejoin it now. And anyone else
Sir, it's been added to your
who
record.
tries to join the meeting and
Sir,
student is
since
late and it
14
tries to the meeting,
participants
he will not
has.
be allowed. So I am about to lock the meeting now.
Sir,
Meeting
it's
locked.
the network error against what we have to do.
Don't unmute yourself for without any reason. Don't unmute yourself. Keep yourself mute. Okay. If you are unmuting yourself without any reason, I will remove you from the meeting. Okay. These are the rules made by the administration of the school. Okay, so now linear equations in one variable. First of all, let us discuss about the word equations.
Okay, sir.
Anyone knows anything about equations?
लीनियर इक्वेशन थोड़ी सी एल्जेब्रिक की तरह होती है.
Speak in English. Try to speak in English.
Sir, sir, an equation is a statement of equality which contains one or more unknown quantities or variables.
Oh my God. Copy paste.
सर बुक में फर्स्ट नंबर पे लिखा है.
Beta, what you understand from the word equation? Tell me this. Don't tell me the definition, exact definition from the book. Tell me what do you understand from the word equations? Okay, first of all, before coming to equations, let us discuss about some algebraic expressions. Chapter algebraic expressions you have studied in your previous term. The chapter algebraic expressions. So I am going to write an algebraic expression on the board. Look at it and try to tell me whatever you know about that expression. You tell me that whatever you know about that expression. So this is the expression 8x square plus 5x. This is an algebraic expression. Whatever you know about this expression, you tell me. What kind of expression is this?
Sir, it is a binomial.
The binomial.
Binomial.
Yes, very good. It is a binomial. Very good. Anything else? The given expression is a binomial. Anything else? Do you know about it? So it is a binomial. Some of you said it is a binomial. Why it is a binomial? What is the meaning of a binomial? An expression which has two terms. First term and second term. An expression which has only two terms is known as a binomial. You have studied this in algebraic expressions, chapter algebraic expressions. Starting में पढ़ाया था, याद करो. So an algebraic expression which has two terms is known as a binomial. Now, anything else? What can you say about the degree of the polynomial of this expression? What is the degree of this expression? No answer. Do you know anything about the degree? Do you know the meaning of degree? नहीं पता है तो you tell me clearly that we don't know, sir. We don't know what is the meaning of degree. I will tell you. Don't worry. I have kept the mics on. I have given you the permission to unmute yourself. This is the reason for this is I want you all to interact in the class. I cannot teach without interaction. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, degree means power. Sir, degree means power.
Yeah, degree means power, but not exactly the power only. Something related to power.
The power of x.
Highest power of the variable is known as the degree. Highest power of the variable is known as the degree.
Sir,
Now, in the first term of the
sir,
given
2.
expression, look at the first term of the expression. What is the power of x? What is the power of x here? It is 2.
2.
And in the second term of the expression, in the second term, what is the power of x?
0.
It is 1.
X.
The power of x is 1. Agar there is no power, suppose I write something like this, 3x. So here, what is the power of x? It is 1. If nothing is written, that means the power is 1. So what is the power of x here in the second term?
1.
1. What is the highest power of x?
Sir, 1.
Highest power of x in the expression. What is the highest power? Here the power is 2, here the power is 1.
2.
X square.
What is the highest power? It is 2. So degree of this expression is 2. Degree is 2.
Sir, 2.
Have you understood the meaning of degree? The highest power of the expression is known as the degree.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. Whatever the highest power is, that is known as the degree. Now, the degree of the polynomial is 2. So we call this polynomial as a quadratic polynomial. Okay. If suppose there is an expression where the degree is 1, that kind of expression is known as linear expression. Linear. Okay, so this is one expression. Now, can you find how many variables are there in this expression? How many variables are there?
Sir, 2 variables.
2 variables. कौन-कौन से 2 variables हैं यहाँ पर?
X square और X.
The first thing that I told you is that it is a binomial. Second thing that I told you is that the degree is 2. That means it is a quadratic expression. Third thing that I am telling you now is that this algebraic expression has only one variable, which is x. Doesn't matter the same variable is coming how many times, this doesn't matter. The main thing is that it has only one variable. So it can come any number of times, but it has only one variable, which is x. Okay. You don't have to note down anything till now. This is just for your explanation. Yeah. So this is your expression, first expression. Now another expression, you have to tell me whatever you understand about this. 9x plus 3y minus 4z. This is another expression.
Sir, it is a trinomial.
Very good. What else? What is the degree of this?
Sir, it has two variables x and y and z.
And Z. 3 variables. What is the degree?
Sir, 1.
1 is the degree. Very good. All the 3 things you have told correct. First thing, it is a trinomial. How many terms are there? 3 terms are there. Therefore, it is a trinomial. Second thing you told me is that it has the degree 1. The degree of this expression is 1.
1.
Because
One.
here the power of x is 1, the power of y is also 1, and the power of z is also 1. So what is the highest power? It is 1. Therefore, the degree is 1.
One.
And the third thing is that it has 3 variables, x, y, and z. It has 3 variables. Now, if I put a equal to symbol between the two expressions, I am telling you that this expression is equal to this expression. So when I equate two expressions, then we call it as an equation. Now this whole thing is an equation. Understood what is an equation?
Yes, sir.
Got it? What is the meaning of an equation?
Yes, sir.
Now the question arises, is this a linear equation? Just now I told you what is the meaning of linear. Linear word का meaning क्या होता है? Where the degree is 1. When the degree is 1, that expression is known as linear expression. So is this a linear equation?
Yes, sir.
Is this a linear equation?
Yes, sir.
It is an equation. ये तो समझ में आ गया. It is an equation. Is it a linear equation? No, it is not a linear equation. It is a quadratic equation. Why it is not a linear equation? Because the degree of this equation is 2. What is the degree of the equation? What is the highest power of the variable? 2. So this is
Sir,
not
2.
a linear equation.
X2.
It is a quadratic equation. Problem क्या है? Why it is not a linear equation? Because the degree is 2. For a linear equation, the degree should be 1. Got it? Now you are going to tell me another equation I am going to write. You will tell me whether this is a linear equation or not. 5x plus 4 equals to 9z minus 7y. Is this a linear equation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. It is a linear equation. It is an equation because it has two expressions and there is a equal to symbol between the two expressions. So it is a equation. Now, why it is a linear equation? What is the degree of the equation? The degree
Sir,
is 1.
all are 1. 1.
The highest power of the equation is 1. So it is a linear equation. This one is an equation, but it is not a linear equation. So this one is not a linear equation. This one is a linear equation.
Okay, sir.
Is this a linear equation in one variable?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is a linear equation in one variable. यहाँ पर how many variables are there in this equation?
Sir, 3.
In this equation, how many variables are there?
3.
There are 3
Sir,
variables.
4.
X,
Sir, 3.
Y, and Z. Beta 3 variables. X, Y, and Z. 3 variables are there. So this is not a linear equation in one variable. It is a linear equation, but it is a linear equation in 3 variables.
3 variables.
Variable.
तो हमें इसके बारे में नहीं पढ़ना है. हमें किसके बारे में पढ़ना है? What do we have to
Linear
study in this chapter?
Linear equation in one variable.
Another equation I am going to write here. 25x minus 7 equals to 93x plus 5. Is this an equation? Is this a linear equation first of all? Is this a
Yes,
linear
sir.
equation?
This is a linear equation. Yes, sir.
Because the degree
It is linear.
Sir, this is
one.
linear equation
In one variable.
sir, in one variable linear equation.
Very good. You all have understood. It is a linear equation in one variable. It is linear because the degree is one, and it has only one variable x. Here also it is x. Here also it is x. So there is only one variable. So yes, it is a linear equation, and it is a linear equation in one variable. यहाँ पे मैंने double tick लगा दिया. Double tick. That means a linear equation in two variables. Sorry, one variable. Linear equation. तो हमें ऐसी equations के बारे में पढ़ना है in this chapter. Have you all understood what is the meaning of linear equation in one variable?
Yes, sir.
All got the meaning? Second very important thing that we have to understand is that what is the meaning of solution of a linear equation? Solution of a linear equation. What is the meaning of solution? So I am writing a linear equation here on the board, and let us discuss about the solution of this linear equation in one variable. 5x minus 6 equals to 4x minus 2. So this is an equation. This is a linear equation in one variable. Yes, yes or no? It is a linear equation in one variable. 5x minus
Yes,
6
sir.
equals to 4x
Sir.
minus 2. It is a linear equation in one variable. Now, what is the meaning of solution of a linear equation? मैं बताता हूँ. So if I am able to find a value of x, that value of x, if we put the value of x in LHS and RHS both, so at that value of x at which the LHS and RHS are equal, LHS is equal to RHS, that value of x is known as the solution of the equation. Let me explain. बेटा मोहम्मद उजैर गिटार बजाना बंद करो. Everything is being recorded. Don't do this. So yeah. Let me tell you with an example. Let us take, you don't have to note down anything in this. This is just for your understanding. I am just doing this to explain all this to you. Don't note down anything. Let x equals to 3. मैंने x की value 3 मान लिया कि let x equals to 3. Now let us check, is this a solution of the equation or not? LHS, let x equals to 3. What is the value of LHS? X equals to 3 in the LHS. 5x minus 6 into LHS. LHS means left hand side. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. LHS, RHS. 5x minus 6. 5, what is the value of x? 5 into 3 minus 6. 5 into 3 is 15. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Similarly, let us find the value of RHS also. RHS. 4x minus 2. 4 into 3 minus 2. 12 minus 2. 10. Is LHS equals to RHS? क्या यहाँ पर LHS RHS equal दिख रहे हैं आपको?
No, sir.
No, not equal. This is the sign of not equal. LHS is not equal to RHS. Can I say that x equal to 3 is a solution of the equation? X equal to 3 is a solution? No, this is not a solution of the equation. Answer is no. X equal to 3 is not a solution. तो solution क्या होता है? What is the meaning of solution? That value of the variable. X की वो value या फिर जो भी variable है equation में, that value of the variable at which LHS and RHS are equal. LHS RHS equal होता है. चलो let us try for another value.
Okay, sir.
Let us try for another value of x.
Okay, sir.
Let x equals to 4. Now let us try for this. LHS 5x minus 6, 5 into 4 minus 6, 20 minus 6, 14. LHS is equal to 14. RHS 4x minus 2. 4 into 4 minus 2. The value of x is 4. I have put x equals to 4 in both the cases. So 4 into 4 is 16.
Sir, it is equal. It is equal.
Yes. LHS 14. RHS 14. Can we say that LHS is equal to RHS?
Yes, sir.
Wow. In this case, LHS and RHS are equal. Is x equal to 4 a solution of the equation? Is x equal to
Yes,
4 a
sir.
solution of the equation?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes,
मजा आ
sir.
गया. Yes, x equal to 4 is the solution of the equation. Have you all understood what the meaning of solution of an equation?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All of you have understood the meaning. Very good. Okay. So now let us, every time we are not going to do this. This is known as hit and trial method. यहाँ पर मैंने क्या करा? मैंने तुक्का मार के आंसर निकाला है. हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड.
सर ऐसे क्वेश्चन तो आप एग्जाम में आएंगे ना बहुत सारे.
Yes, beta, you will get these type of questions in the exam, but there should be a proper method to solve the linear equation. So this method is not proper.
Okay, sir.
This is not a proper method. ये तुक्का मारने वाला मेथड नहीं चलेगा. This is hit and trial. Hit and trial को हिंदी में बोलते हैं तुक्का मारना. So this tukka maru method will not work in exam. There should be a proper method for this. So what is that proper method? Let us now understand how we can do this.
Okay, sir.
कि मैंने कैसे निकाला ये solution? Just look at this. Now, we have also done this in class 6.
Yes, sir.
Do it again. Here, you can see
Yes,
that
sir.
5x.
Sir, proper. What is proper method?
Yeah, this is what I am telling you. The proper method is this. I am telling you now the proper method for doing it.
Okay, sir.
Please pay attention. This
Yes,
is
sir.
very important. What is the proper method of finding the solution of an equation? So 5x and 4x are the terms which have x. ऐसी terms को पहले तो ढूंढ लो जिनके पास x है. So this term has x in it and this term also has x in it. 4x also has x. So take 4x from RHS to LHS. When you take 4x from LHS to LHS, all the terms which contain x, you should take them to LHS. So 4x when goes to LHS, it becomes minus 4x. ये आपने पढ़ा हुआ है previous classes में.
Yes,
That
sir.
when you take something from LHS to RHS, it becomes negative, or something from RHS to LHS, it becomes negative. And if it is negative, it goes to the other side, it becomes positive.
Yes, sir.
If something is negative, it goes to the right hand side, it becomes positive. Like we are doing in this case. This is minus 2 left here in the RHS now, minus 2. And we are taking
Sir,
this
plus का 6. Plus का 6. Positive 6.
minus 6 will go to the RHS and it will become plus 6.
Plus 6. Plus 6.
5x minus 4x. These are like terms in every case.
X.
Minus 4x. कितना मिल गया?
Sir, x value is 4. X value is 4.
Very good. Plus 6 minus 2 is equal to
Sir, 4.
Plus 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So what is the answer? X equal to 4. This is a proper method. This is the proper method of doing the question.
सर चेक भी करना है इक्वेशन को.
If you want, you can do it. It is not necessary.
सर ऐसी आंसर आ जाएगा ना?
Yes.
ओके सर. सर आप बता भी बोल रहे हैं थे.
शुभम बेटा कितनी हरकतें करेगा?
सर वो क्वेश्चन हो गया तो सर खाली बैठे
Have you all understood now?
यस सर.
The number of students are getting less by the time.
Sir, there are 11 students. No, sir, 10. Sir, if we include you, sir, then there are 11.
So many students are there.
सर एक उस्मा मैम की क्लास का भी सर एक जूम मीटिंग है सर. कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं बच्चे उसी में चले गए?
Yeah. Next question.
Sir,
Next question. Let us start with the questions now. Exercise 7A.
तो हम लोग एक्सरसाइज करेंगे.
Yeah. Now we will start with the exercise 7A.
सर मैंने 5 क्वेश्चन कर दिए इसके.
Question number 1. Exercise 7A.
7A.
3x minus 5 equals to 0. You have to find the value of x. Find the solution of the given equation. Solve the equation. सबका meaning एक ही होता है. Solve the equation. Find the solution of the equation. Find the value of the variable. The meaning of all these things is the same. You have to find the value of x. So for this, first of all, take minus 5 to RHS. 0 plus 5. Now 3x is equal to 5. What is the value of x? X is equals to 5 upon 3.
सर 5/3.
Multiply.
पॉइंट में आंसर आएगा.
3 is in multiply with x. So when this 3 will go to part, it will go in divide. So the answer is 5 upon
5/3.
Got it? Very simple.
Yes sir.
Keep your mics off.
Okay, sir.
Next question. Question number 2. 8x
8x. Let's go.
minus 3 equal to 9.
आजकल मैं पता नहीं क्यों नहीं समझ नहीं
9 minus 2x. So 8x minus 2x, you will take 2 LHS plus 2x. And minus 3, you will take 2 RHS. 9 plus 3. Minus 3 will become plus 3. Yes. So 8x plus 2x is equal to 10x. Like terms, you can add the like terms. 10x. 9 plus 3 is 12. X is equals to 12 upon 10. 10 will go and divide. 12 upon 10 का meaning क्या होता है? X equals to 6 upon 5. Answer. Any problem in this?
No, sir.
Sir,
Understood?
no problem.
Sir, these questions are very easy.
Yes.
Mm,
Sir, done. Sir, next question, please.
Well done.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Next one. Let's do question number 4 now.
Sir, we have to do 4.
Question 4.
Third.
After the meeting has ended, you will join again for 5 minutes. Okay, quickly join the meeting for 5 minutes again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Question number 4. 3 plus 2x is equal to 1 minus x. 3 plus 2x is equal to 1 minus x. Now, minus x, you take it to LHS. And this 3, you will take to RHS. Minus x, when you take to LHS, it will become plus x. And 3, when you take to RHS, it will become minus 3. Because it is plus 3, it will become minus 3. 2x plus x is equal to 3x. 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. What is the value of x? Minus 2 upon 3. X is equal to minus 2 upon 3.
3.
तो ये 5 है अगेन माइक बंद करिए. Note down the question.